ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Well, the Australian dollar continues to push on towards that top side as the market challenges that recent high around 76.95. In light of the current pattern, we are getting tired and I do anticipate fresh claims towards the upside will continue to fail around that 77.20 to 77.50 region. What is needed now to get the market to break down further is a move sub 76.45. Then this would actually see further weakness towards an objective of 75.80 and reassess from there, as we could even see it lower down towards 75.30. As I mentioned, fresh claims towards the upside should fail, and I anticipate to see the bears defend this region around 77.20 to 77.50. The euro dollar overnight trades in a very conservative or very consolidation pattern. As you can see here, the market holding underneath the resistance of 112.45, locked in a range of 70.45 around 112, should eventually see weakness return and look towards the objective that I'm holding down around that 111.2040 region. Any fresh claims towards the upside should still find resistance around 112.70.80. Well, dollar yen's slowly progressing towards the upside. After the third consecutive day, the market balls are still around, and as you can see, not very convincingly the move towards the upside, but if we can clear this level of around 95 figure, then this could actually give further room up towards the resistance around 101.50.65, where these troughs are. Like before, if we get a failed attempt, then the market will look back towards that downside, which holds around 100, and then underneath the bulls are still expected to show firm defense if challenged around 99.40.60. The sterling breaks towards the upside and challenges briefly that resistance of 130.60 and slightly backs away. In the meantime, while this level holds towards 130.60 and above firmer at 131.20, then I'm still holding the view down towards 128.45.55, just beneath the troughs here. What is interesting to see is that we broke the trend and there's a little room now to the upside as the indicators are slightly in an overbought territory. So I do anticipate a weak return very soon and look towards those targets, with the first support coming in at 129.75. Gold breaking down further overnight. As you can see here, the support of 1,322 gives way, now exposes the next target of 1,312.14 and lower, with the pivotal point holding at 1,300. And as you can see here, if it breaks, exposes a $50 drop. So do keep that in mind for the next 12 to 48 hours. Looking at the top side, resistance now comes in around 1,326 and towards 28 where the recent break level was. And to wrap with oil, we break through that $46.50-70 a barrel level and now looking towards a potential target of 49.60. So we could see a short squeeze and then eventually see the market top out towards that region. In the unlikely event we see a move back under 46.10, then this would negate this target and look back towards that $43 a barrel. Well, that wraps me and gives a conclusion that the US dollar still holds potential gains in terms of the rest of the currencies. So let's see how the market plays out in the next 12 to 24 hours. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the day ahead.